Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to model this mounting bracket in FreeCAD. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same. So I will save and close this file, and I will show you from the scratch. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures, you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my Ko-Fi shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of this sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on a equal interval of a time once the new features came, and once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. So first I will create a new file. I create a body and on my origin. So if we look our mounting bracket, so basically this is a weldment part. So there are the basically two parts which we will make inside one body. So first we will make this base plate. So for this we will select this XY plane and click on the sketch, and we will go to the model tab and of our origin plane. Now first we will draw this line and create this bottom profile. So if you read the dimension, this is the 40 and this is the 15 mm on the both the sides. So first we will create a line, and we will give the horizontal dimension, which is 40 plus 40 and 15 plus 15. So this is of 110, the total length. And now I will give one more horizontal dimension, and I will give 110 divided by 2, and I will move it. And now to create this base profile, first we will create this arc which is of R15. So we will select the circle and give it a diameter of 30, and its position from the edge we will give the vertical dimension, which will be 32 plus 50. 32 plus 50. And now we will create a line and then create a 3-point arc like this, and again one more 3-point arc like this. Now here first we will add the tangency relation, so click on the tangent. Now we will again select this one and this and add the tangent relation. Now we will select this and this, arc and this circle, and add the tangent relation. And now we will give the dimension. So this is the R15, so we will give it 15 mm, and this one is of R65, and position from the edge is 32, so we will select vertical dimension and add dimension 32. Now we will trim it. Now we will again select the line and click the 3-point arc, and again select the 3-point arc, and here we will make it tangent. This also tangent and tangent. Now we will select this point and add the horizontal relation. Select this one and add a equal relation. Now click on the trim and trim it. So here is a contact is not there. We will select it. We will select this arc and this point, and now we will make this radius and this radius equal. Now we will click on the trim and trim it. So here is our base profile. I will move the dimension, and now we will come out of the sketch, switch to isometric, and now select the sketch and click on the pad, and the pad distance is 10 mm, which we can see here, and click on OK. So this is our base profile. Now as we can see that this is a 10 mm thickness, so we will select this face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, and I will project this edge and click on the rectangle and simply create a rectangle. Now click on the pocket. Lid thickness is 10 mm, so give it 10 mm. Now if you go to the pad and press the spacebar, then we can get our initial sketch. Now we will select this face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, switch to the front, and from here switch to the wireframe. Now I will project all three edges, so click on project geometry, and now the first thing which will create this slot, because this slot position is given like 20 and 10, and the center to center distance is 50. So first we will create a slot, so we will select the slot option and create a slot like this. Now first we will fix the center. So here from the edge it is 20, so we will click on project geometry, project this edge, select this point and add a vertical dimension of a 20, move it. Now from this point to this point add the dimension of 10, move it. Now I will create a construction line by joining these 2 points. So click on the line, delete this line. I will create line again and join these 2 points, and I will select it and make it construction. Now this is a 30-degree angle, so we will select the angular dimension, select this and add the angle of 30 degree. Now this slot width is a 13 mm, so we will select dimensions tool and select these 2 points and give it a 13. Now this center to center is 50, so I will select this line, give the dimension and give it 50. So our slot is fully constrained, and now with respect to slot we will create our outer profile, which is this one. So here is a radius 15 is given, so we will go to the circle option and create a circle. Now select the diameter and give it a 30, and now from this point to this circle we will draw a line which will be tangent to this diameter. So select the line and create a line like this, and now I will make it tangent. Similarly I will create a line and I will make it tangent. Click on the tangent, and now I will remove all the unnecessary geometry. So click on the trim option, select this and we will also remove the internal one. And now if you rotate our sketch, here is a profile is not closed, so we will click on the line, go to the front and connect it. Take the back view and join this with this. So our sketch is fully constrained. Now we will close it, switch to the isometric, and from here switch to the flat lines, and now we will select our sketch, click on the pad, and here is a distance of a 10 mm, click on OK. So we have made overall shape. Now we will make these 3 holes. For this we will select this face, click on the sketch, and we will project these 3 arcs and click on the circle and create a 3 circle, and this is the 3 holes of dia 13. So we will select it, click on the diameter, give it 13, and now I will select all 3 circle and make it equal, click on close and click on cut, and from here we will say through all, click on OK. So we have made all the features, and here is a common note: fillet and round of R3, so we can provide fillet to the all edges to this part, but I'm not going to do this because the tutorial length will be too long. So this is how we have achieved the overall shape of this mounting bracket in FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.